Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new dresses from Sophia Vergara has that plunging V, the dolman sleeve, it's a longer length, and then the back has this little cutout zipper, and then the seam fit through the back in this black floral. And it also comes in a leopard, and they'll be linked down below. Also new, pinstripe dress from Free Assembly. It has the thin strap, this plunging V. The material on this is so nice and stretchy. Has that V design with this little seam, pleating, fit and flare, midi length, and then it's squared in the back with the zipper. And they'll be linked down below. They also pulled the tags in this store. Long sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic around the neck, this little hook and eye closure with the keyhole, these little bow detail down the sleeve, elastic with the drop tier. It's a nice thicker poplar material, and then the seam fit through the back. Comes in the brown, also comes in this blue and white stripe, and no price. I'll try to have the prices down below next to the link. New sweater from Free Assembly. So this one has that high neckline, buttons, like true cardigan. How pretty is this little floral detail with this side seam. Also has the ribbed wrist and the seam fit through the back. And this one is going to be no price. Boat neck top from Free Assembly. So this has that high neckline, relaxed 3/4 sleeve. It's flowy, more of a boxy fit in the brown and blue. Also comes in that orangey red and blue stripe. Cute are these new matching sets from Free Assembly. So there's a pinstripe blazer. It also matches back to that dress. Has the smaller collar, lapel, the one button relaxed fit, relaxed through the wrist. It's completely lined. This material is so nice. And then the back, this is the large. So it is a little bit more fitted. Like we saw in the trend video, that hourglass kind of comes in and then it comes out a little bit on the ends. And then to match, they have this midi length skirt. So this one is fit flare with the pleats. It's a little dark in here today because it's rainy. And then that same fit through the back with the little belt. And right next to that, similar style skirt, but it's in a denim material. Has the button zip, belt loops, fit flare, really pretty seam detail. How pretty is this denim? Has like a paisley print, and then really nice seam detail in the back. And then right above that, oh, we got a price on this one. So it's a little top. Has that hourglass kind of fit and flare out. And then the back has a zipper, and this material is so good. These are going to be $26. Our little matching separates from Free Assembly. So this one has this smaller collar lapel. It is lined. It's 2 front pockets, relaxed through the wrist. This is the extra large. And then right next to that, they have a little fit and flare dress in that same houndstooth material. Has the thicker strap, that square neckline, full zip, belt, 2 flat pockets, and then that seam fit through the back. And then if you didn't want to do the dress with the blazer, they have a little skirt. So this one has this little pretty gold belt, 2 little pleats. The skirt isn't lined. It does have side pockets, and then the seam fit through the back. Denim pull-on skirt from Free Assembly. This has the elastic waistband, toggle, side pocket. It's a flowy fit. There is pleats, and then the seam through the back with the elastic. Right next to that, new little tie front blouse from Free Assembly. So this has that oversized bow, full buttons, the little shoulder detail, button on the wrist, relaxed fit. This is the extra small, so it has really good length. And then the seam in the back in the stripe also comes in the white, and they'll be linked down below. So new embroidered flare jeans from Jessica Simpson. These are high rise. There's whiskering, super stretchy. How pretty is this embroidered detailing? I love those colors, and this is like my favorite color denim. Same fit through the back. These are $29.50. I know a lot of you guys comment about not being able to find these in store. I always have everything linked. How cute are these new two-piece sets from Scoop? So it has the thin strap, that plunging V, seam detail under the bust, peplum style, and then it's squared in the back with the zipper. And to match, they have a barrel leg jean. These are high rise, 2 front pockets, really good seam detail, and then the seam through the back. These are like my favorite barrel leg jeans that I picked up this year. I wasn't sure about them, but they're really comfortable. They're very, very flattering. So new, a little drapey top from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that mock neckline, this little ruche detail, sleeveless, super soft and stretchy, really good length. And then the same through the back. And the ivory also comes in black. And these are going to be $14. No bodysuit from Madden NYC. This one has that sweetheart neckline, this little ruching, stretchy. They have really nice basics, and then it's a thong style back in the black. And these are $13.50. How cute is this little pleated skirt? It does have built-in shorts, nice like thicker stretch denim, has this side zip, bra hem at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. I'd probably size up in this one. Also comes in this dark wash, and these are $15.50. Bodysuit also comes in the ivory, and then right next to it are these new jogger style jeans from Madden NYC. So these are high rise. They have the seam detail, flat pockets through the leg. You could do jogger or straight leg with the little ties. And then the back has pockets. Comes in the green, also in black. It's like a true black denim. These look like a really good Free People Look for Less. Actually, those aren't them. This is the black. It's the same kind of material. The cargo pants are $19.50, and then they have these barrel leg jeans. These look really good. These look like Free People. So these have the 2 front pocket, really nice seam detail. Comes in at the ankle, and then elastic in the back with pockets. And they are $21.50. Some new little grommet jeans behind the Melissa Flares. So this is a Jessica Simpson Rosa Relax Straight. They're high rise. They have this little grommet straight through the leg and then a little slit. I always love that. Her denim is really nice too. Jessica Simpson's, and these are $32.50. Corset tanks from Madden NYC. These have that thin strap, this little lace trim, seam detail, squared in the back with the zipper in the brown plaid. Also comes in that gray, and they're $14.50. This is definitely Y2K style from Madden NYC. It has that crew neckline, long sleeve. It's a mesh stretchy material. It is lined, like double lined, so it's not sheer. In the black, and then they also have, I like this one there. Oh, look how pretty, the green with the unicorn. And they're $14.50. Black jeans also come in this dark wash. Also new wrap skirt from Madden NYC. This has this little lace-up detail. Has the slit. There's not a skirt, it's a skirt. There's no shorts underneath. With the elastic in the back. This one comes in that dark wash, also in brown, and they are going to be $19.50. No, that can't be right. $15.50. I know their pricing isn't usually that much. So cute for the price. And then to go with the little corset, they have these skirts from Madden NYC. This has that side zip, the little pleats. Do we got shorts underneath? Yeah, they do. There's the shorts. I'm learning, guys. I know I got so many mean comments in the Target shop with me that I'm not doing a good job. I'm trying. I like this camera better. It's way easier for my hand. I feel like I love the microphone. You get a better you actually get better audio, even though I've had like some next reviews. But the price on this skirt is $15.50. And then we have a new bubble skirt. So this one from Madden NYC has the little bubbled bottom, the pockets. lining, and then same fit through the back. And these are going to be $15.50. Here is this new little drop tier plaid dress from Madden NYC. It has the thin strap, square neckline, little drop tier, and then it's squared in the back, nice and stretchy, lined on the inside in the pink, and then also comes in the black with the gray, and they're $19.50. New barrel leg jogger from Scoop. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, the true jogger bottom. This is that scuba material that I love. It's perfect for travel, matches back to all their other jackets, pullovers. Comes in the black, also in the gray, and it's one of the ones with no price. Mock neck sweater dresses from Scoop. So these are a stretchy knit material. Has that high neckline, fitted with the drop tier. It's not like too dropped. That's what the material looks like up close. And then the same kind of fit through the back in the black. Also comes in a leopard. And we don't have prices on that either. Some new sparkly pieces from No Boundaries. I know a lot of you guys always comment that you feel like you're too old, but if you mix and match these things with other, you know, like your Time and True, the other line Scoop, it's definitely age appropriate. Like I would do this with like a Sophia jean or one of the Scoop trousers. But these have that high neckline, they're sleeveless, it's fitted, it's stretchy, has the little keyhole in the back. These are like the super short shorts. And it comes in the silver, also in the black. Two pieces are $19.98, and then right next to that, these new little camis. Has the thin strap, that lace trim. I love this top, and then they have a really cute skirt. So you could do the little skirt with a white button down, and pump stockings, and then the tank with the jeans and a blazer. So it comes in this black with the silver, and I think black, like full black with black. I love those because I saw like, I think Khloe Kardashian wore something like this. Looked really good with jeans. And then they have these new little tanks. So these have that hook and eye closure. It's open in the front, thin strap, squared in the back in the silver. Also comes in black. And those are $14.98. Tanks full off the shelves. They had white here last time, like fully stocked, literally like 2 or 3 days ago. And now they only have black left. But these have the thick strap, scoop necklines, ribbed and stretchy with the little rhinestones. These are $10.98. Have a new style of little like super affordable t-shirt dress. We don't have the things, but usually these are between like $5 and $10. From No Boundaries, stretchy t-shirt. This one has a little bit more of a boat neckline and a cap sleeve. It's the medium, so it's also a little bit more oversized. They have the burgundy and then also in the black. Jessica Simpson, so it's that open front kimono style, long sleeve, relaxed through the wrist, has the drawstring, flowy through the front and back. I think I saw a dress in the same color, so you can use it to layer it up. And these are going to be linked down below. Dress from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the plunging V flutter sleeve, this little braided tassel, elastic in the waist, flowy with the dropped here. That same fit around the back, and these are going to be $36. From Madden NYC, has the thin straps, that corset style seaming, more fitted, has that sheer. It also has touches of velvet, which is also big for fall. And these are going to be linked down below. It also comes in this green. This emerald green is also going to be a huge color. So new long sleeve top from Jessica Simpson. This one has that rounded neckline, the little ruffle bell sleeve, the button detail in the back, and these are going to be $26. Also new crochet cardigan from Jessica Simpson. This has the plunging V, that little tie detail, has a little bit of a bell sleeve with the scallop trim, and then the same fit through the back. This is like more of a boxy fit, so it comes in this really pretty multicolor. And then also in the beige and white, and they are going to be $26. New pull-on plaid pants from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband. They have the little tie, flowy leg in this burgundy brown plaid. They also have the blue, and they're $11.98. Boxy graphic tees from No Boundaries. These have the crew neckline, embroidered New York. They also have California, and these are $9.98. Right underneath that, new little oversized shorts. These are high rise. They have the grommet detail, relax. This is the size 8, so they're definitely oversized. Also have a new grommet jean from No Boundaries. These look like they're a little more low rise. What does it say? NB studded jean. Yeah, they don't look too high. Look, you could tell by how short the zipper is. They have the whiskering, wide flowy leg. This is the 6, so they're definitely bigger, more oversized, and they're $17.98. Look at these new little suede, like short shorts from No Boundaries. They have the button zip, pockets on the back in the black. Faux suede also comes in the burgundy, and they are $11.98. And has that cow neckline open through the back in the red, also comes in black, and they are $9.98. Graphic tank. So these feel like really nice quality. They have a grommet, ribbed, stretchy. They're Shelby, and then Rolling Stones, and these are $9.98. New Fender sweat set, crew neckline, boxy fit with the eagle, and then they have Dolly Parton. I know those are going to be hard to find. So they have the Fender sweatpants to match. They might have the Dolly sweatshirt since they're in the same style. The shorts are $10.98. New pull-on wide leg French terry pant from Lay. These have an elastic waistband. Inside is that French terry, has the drawstring side pocket, pockets on the back, and they're $24.98. From Avia, they have the round toe, the little stripe on the side. I like how they have the black bottom. Feels like almost like a genuine leather. They might not be. It says memory foam in the red with the white. There's white with the black, and then black with the white, and these are $26.98. They also have these new sneakers from Avia, so these remind me a lot of like a New Balance. They have the round toe, that gummy bottom in the ivory with the beige. There's also black with the white, and these are $26.98. Moto boots from Madden NYC. These have the round toe, chunky heel, a silver oversized buckle, zipper on the inside, and these are $45. Next to it, they have these new footbed sandals from Madden NYC. These have the double buckle, the rubbered bottom in the black with the leopard, also in this taupe with the silver, and they're $32. So new for Madden NYC are these platform clogs. These sell out so fast. They sold out every year for the past 2 or 3 years before I even saw them in store. So these have that oversized silver buckle. It is adjustable, that foam bottom. They're $38. Also new for Madden NYC are these platform sneakers. These have that round toe, the gummy bottom, in the brown and white, and they're $40. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.